Hey guys, how are you? Are we going to have a Twitter recap today? Yes, yes, we are indeed. We will dive through the my charts for the day, but also the stuff that I have been retweeting. Let's see what people are up to. And if you like the content, all that good stuff, you know where you can find me: YouTube, Substack, Twitter. Substack definitely being, and YouTube, by the way, definitely being the place where we are finding stocks specifically. Um, and a lot more, by the way. Cool. Let's dive in here. Nothing more, guys. Let's not waste any more time. By the way, platinum. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's not waste any more time with the with me just talking. This is platinum in euro terms on the weekly, a line chart. I rarely use line charts, but in this case, I'm like, man, this is just again 2010 high all the way down, clean as day. When we break roughly, I will say 1K here, it's go time. Platinum is go time, big time. And it's a small market, and you don't need a lot of money flow into the platinum space in order to have big moves here. And yeah, uranium update as well for the subs. I think the 2 hourly to me suggests that today or next week, early next week, we are to have a big move on the 2 hourly time frame. So not, the longer term stuff, but everything is compressed around the Bollinger Band. The momentum is inside the Bollinger Band. That's usually or almost always a time where price is waiting, building up energy to break out to the upside or breaking down. So I just looked here at my online, where I usually buy my stuff. The premiums for platinum 1 ounce coins are 25% now. They cost roughly 1K, and I think the price was 1,250. So, yeah, 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 that's a lot, right? CPG is a stock that we follow a somewhat of a small guy, but it's setting up for the biggest weekly volume in over 6 years. That has to mean something, and it's a big green candle as well. That is very promising. Gold update and all its ratios. You can check that one. It's free, 20 minutes. The 3 monthly time frame, therefore very long-term stuff. Again, if you're looking at the monthly time frame, you're only getting 4 candles per year. And we have been breaking the EM2 money supply, the global debt, money in circulation, uh, the Dixie, what have you, basically. Inflation we broke like half a year ago, maybe a bit more. And so the long-term time frames looks amazing. Could we have a local top here on the daily at around 3K? Yeah, it makes a lot of sense to have a pause here. We have gone a little bit parabolic on the daily time frames, but again, long term, I think we're going to 8K over the next 2 years. 8K. This is again one of the charts. It is a line chart, I know, but still gold divided by M2 money supply. Gold has broken out versus the M2 money supply, meaning printing money will start to have a huge diminishing returns and the effect will become less and less, and therefore a lot more inflation coming to a country near you. So gold has broken the M2 money supply. That is huge. That's one of the big ratios, right? And also a sign that gold is to outperform inflation over the next 10 years with an environment where inflation will be high. The money printing will be high, gold will do better. That's good. That's really good. Some short-term stuff here again, gold just setting up here intraday with a huge move, pause here, breaking higher. Again, it's the 15 minutes, so um, a bit more platinum. Buy platinum or not? Again, what do I know? I think platinum, as I mentioned yesterday and the day before, if I think when we get the breakouts here in the platinum, I think platinum, the metal, again, miners, different story. Obviously, there will be some good stuff, but also mining is difficult. I think platinum, the metal, could be one of the big guys in 2025 and into 2026. So this is rock bottom entries. Again, with platinum here, you can see here, this is a line chart on the monthly. You can see a downtrend, roughly 20 years. We're actually breaking out today, monthly time frame breakout on the line chart. I know the candlesticks, we haven't almost been breaking out. Again, it's gonna be, again, platinum guys, don't sleep on that one, because if you blink, you could miss it here. Breaking, Costco is under significant delay fulfilling orders for gold and silver products. Okay, that's quite interesting. Costco has not seen this volume of purchasing on a product since releasing the Kirkland signature golf ball in 2016. Um, so people are buying gold. Yeah, okay, that's amazing. Um, where are we? I just went out a bit too far. Let me find it for you. I'm sorry. Squeaky Mouse here with silver. Saying that silver is following his projection so far. Large wedge breakout there, I agree. And now we're sitting at 32.5. You can see across here that level is a big one. I think when that gives in, we are going to 38 bucks for silver. This is Gary Savage. The dollar is just about to confirm a failed daily cycle. And Gary is again, I'm not like a cycle guy per se, but he's really good at the cycles and all that good stuff. So you have to follow him uh, to learn more about that. And the decline phase of its intermediate cycle. It's going to be next to impossible for the banking cartel to hold the suppression of the silver markets under that condition. Silver squeeze imminent. I like that. I really do. Let's go, Gary Savage again. Really good at what he's doing. Coffee here is the black gold, soon a luxury drink again. I think like half a year ago. These ones in Denmark, the cost were like 100 DKK. Now it's 160 in half a year. It's going to be more expensive, by the way. URA, a 2 hourly power node on the URA is currently happening, meaning a big move is coming up or down. According to, again, David here, we are at the lows, like in a trough here for the URA. So hopefully we get it to the upside. So interesting. I did cover this also in today's uranium update for the members of Substack. A walkthrough of our list of gold and silver miners. Most gold and silver miners is on the rise. Take advantage of this. I think 2 out of 3 looks really good in a stage 2 uptrend. What's not to like, really? The mining sector is muted. Again, you're not seeing many people talking about it, but they have been doing really well in 2025. Silver, the fight for the major $32.5 silver is continuing. The people that are short do not want that, wanted to give in. You can see here 32 once we start to get above. I think we are in for a big squeeze into March, where we could see 38 faster than people might think. USD here, oil is struggling a bit after its false breakout. It's right there. Or is it making a quick undercut of the recent lows? It actually did. I just checked the charts before I went on here. It did snap back and actually close quite high. So we have a little bit of a bullish divergence here below that low there. So is it a turning point? Potentially, we shall see. It's definitely been weak after Trump started to say drill, drill, drill. But usually that is short-term lift, and I think we're going to go way higher anyways. What else do we have here? Again, Gary Savage. We can do Gary again here. Silver is fixing to knock on the door again. The more shorts the cartel throws at this, the bigger the short squeeze will be. He's talking about the 32.5, by the way. Apparently, these idiots learned nothing from the billions they lost when the gold suppression collapsed. This is going to be way bigger. Let's. Gary is on the move today. I like it. I really do. Again, platinum here. Just going to show you the long-term trend line or rail here, breaking out in the 2000s. Massive move. We ought to see the same thing here again. So this time around we had 10 years of rally. So we could be breaking out here in 2025 and rally all the way into 2035. And we could see again, if you want to do we could see 5, 6, 7, 8, maybe 10K platinum. If you do the trend line there, we are talking 10K for platinum. Yes, let's go. Platinum here measured in gold. I think we covered that yesterday, so we will not do that, guys. Have an amazing day, and we will see you tomorrow for the weekly close, and maybe silver above 32.5. Cheers, guys.